Hello dear students, I am Karim and welcome to you class 8 tutorials of computer. Dear students, we have covered decimal, binary and octal number system that how to represent their positions and values in the previous tutorial. Now we'll learn today hexadecimal number system and we'll start conversion to decimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has 16 as the base number. It has 10 numeric digits 0 to 9 and 6 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14 and F is equal to 15. The hexadecimal system is also a positional numbering system. The value of a hexadecimal digit is expressed as the power of 16. As an example, consider a hexadecimal number with a fraction A65.C2 and the place values or positional values of each digit as a power of 16. You can see in a table, as in the decimal and the binary number systems, the radix point separates the whole number part from the fractional part. The place value of each digit to the left and the right of the radix point is got by raising 16 to successive positive or negative powers respectively. Conversion to decimal number system. Numbers in the binary, octal or hexadecimal systems can be converted to decimal numbers. The steps in general are: find the positional value of each digit, multiply the digit with the positional value, sum up the product calculated in step 2. The total is equivalent to the value in the decimal number system. Conversion of binary to decimal. As an example, consider a binary number with a fraction 1011. Binary point 0101 can be converted to its equivalent decimal number. So here you can see in a table the positional value of binary number 1011, binary point 0101. You have learned already that how to find out positional value or weight this binary number in the previous tutorial. If you have any confusion, you should watch again the tutorial. By using this number, I have converted this binary number to decimal number. Here you can see binary number as an expandable form and its conversion. So let me express this conversion. By using above table, this binary number has been converted its equivalent decimal number. So this 2 digit represents as a base of this binary number. In a above table, in fractional part, least significant digit one's positional value is 10th thousandths. So here will be 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 4 and use plus sign. After that, zero's positional value is thousands, so here will be 0 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3 and use plus sign. And one's positional value is hundredths, so here will be 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2 and use plus sign. After that, zero's positional value is tenth, so here will be 0 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1 and use plus sign. In a whole part, in a above table, one's position is ones, so here will be 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 and use plus sign. And next one positional value is tens, so here will be 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1 and use plus sign. After that, zero's positional value is hundreds, so here will be 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 and use plus sign. And one's positional value is thousands, so here will be 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. In the line 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, product will be 8 and use plus sign. After that, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, return value 0 and use plus sign. After that, 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, return value 2 and use plus sign. After that, 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0, then will be 1 and use plus sign. After that, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1, then will be 0 and use plus sign. After that, 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 2, then will be 0.25 and use plus sign. After that, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 3, then will be 0 and use plus sign. And the last, 1 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 4, then will be 0.0625. Okay. In the third line, the sum of all digits will be 11.3125 and here 10 number represents as a base of decimal number. Dear students, I hope you able to understand how to convert binary number into decimal number. I have given some descriptive type questions. Please solve it. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video.